Ready to learn how to create an online bookstore as a self-published author? If you are a self-published author who's been writing book after book, but you realize Amazon KDP is taking a massive royalty from you and you want to just sell these books directly to your customers yourself, well, my love, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own online bookstore as a self-published author so you can sell direct to your customers and keep your sales. Step number one for how to create an online bookstore for your self-published books is to obviously write your books. Write your books. So an online bookstore, by definition, means you have more than one book for sale. It is possible just to create a landing page for just one book, but in this video, I want to focus on my multi-hyphenate authors, those of you who have written at least 2 or 3 books. There is a way for you to be able to self-publish all of those books on one website, which is going to be your bookstore, and then you promote traffic to go to the website. It's such a cool way to do this, but you do need to have multiple books. So if you don't have multiple books, let me show you real quick how to create multiple books fast.
There are lots of different books that you can write, but the absolute fastest, never going to be faster, are low content books. And so if you want to just do this super, super fast, go over to, what are we going to do? Custom size. Go to search and just type in notebook, select Canva templates, and then just hit enter. Find a nice notebook template. So this is beautiful right here. Yeah, I think I'll use this one. This one is beautiful. So, and click it, customize this template. And we're going to sell this as printables, which means that all somebody has to do is go into their local FedEx office or whatever, or go to Vistaprint with the file and order a hard copy. We're not going to give them a hard copy though. Make it digital, make it much faster. So this is going to be our actual paper. So now we just need different covers. So on the left here, I'm going to go to design and I'm going to type in journal book cover. Make sure your covers have a theme because obviously, again, you're going to be selling multiple of these, but they all need to have to do with each other. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, let's say I want to do animal print journals. So I'll do this one first. So this will be one journal. And the quickest way I would do this is just copy and paste this. So let's say we're going to give them 30 pages. So 30 pages, you can journal every single day for a month straight. You based on the theme that you like. So let me do 32 here. And this is first page. Okay, so this is one journal. So I would do journal, book, cats, theme. And then, this is so funny. Download this as PDF print because again, they're going to be downloading this as a printable file, taking it to their local FedEx office or whatever to get it printed. So this is the first one. And do at least 3. All right, so now that I've got the cats theme, let me add a page. I would love something that matches this ideally, but if I can't find it, that's okay. This matches pretty well. So I'm going to delete this one, put our little dog here. There's the dog one. So then change this to dog's theme. Again, whoops. I almost kept the cat by accident. Download again, PDF print, flatten, download. And then what should we do next? We have a cat, we have a dog. What is a common pet? Maybe a fish? What can we do? Let me just do puppy, but this one's pretty cute, so I'll just use this one. You're so cute. All right. And then this one I'll do puppy theme. Download, PDF print, flatten, and download. So now I just had made 3 books. If you want to know how to do nonfiction books that are actually like your own framework, you're telling your own story, you're teaching a solution to a problem, make sure you get into God That Will Grow Faith-Based Author School. I have this amazing 31-day Write Your Book Bootcamp that'll show you how to write and self-publish your own nonfiction books in 31 days or less. And I also have the book publishing toolkit where I show you how to do 10 other types of books: nonfiction books, ebooks, workbooks, prayer journals, Bible study guides, daily devotionals, daily planners, line notebook journals, coloring books, Kindle. I even show you book covers. So just go to christianauthorschool.com and you can get access to this on-demand training immediately. christianauthorschool.com.
Step number 2 for how to create an online bookstore for your self-published books: build your website. Build your author website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your author website so fast. It is insanely quick today to build a professional, beautiful looking author website to sell your books. And I'm going to show you how to do it with AI. Don't be afraid of AI. AI is a tool to help us work faster. That's how I want you to think of AI. And so the tool I'm going to show you utilizes AI to get your author website up and running in minutes, my love, in absolute minutes. So let me show you how to very quickly build your author website and publish your books.
I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. So the first thing you'll do is enter in your brand name. I'll call this Pet Owners, Pet Owner Lined Notebook Journals. And then tell it what you do. I create printable lined notebook journals featuring cute pets that pet owners can purchase and download to write their thoughts. I don't know. And then make sure add online store to my site is selected and then click create a website. And just like that, we have a website. How cute is this? Look at the little pets. I love that. Oh my goodness. And so I'm going to show you how to very quickly customize this. Hostinger makes it very, very fast for us. So I hit continue. The first thing I want to do is set up my store. So it'll take you to set up your store. So right over here, click add product. And then mine is digital, but if yours is physical, put physical. And then go ahead and select that. And then just upload your product. So I'll upload the first one for you so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll just quickly do the second ones. So upload product images. I will get my little puppy first. And then it's going to write your title and description based on what you told it in your branding and also your actual image. And it's so cool. Look at this. This is so cool. I love this part. It does it for me. So I'll put puppy. I'm just going to add here puppy themed journal book, pricing, and then right here where it says digital product, click upload files and select your actual download. So this one is mine. I'll click open. I'm going to let it be downloaded for 30 days and that's it. Click save. So I'm just going to quickly add the other two. Okay, so I've added all three. Now you're going to be back in your products manager. Go ahead and select all of the the products that Hostinger created for you, the product ideas they created for you, and click delete. You just want to have your products there. Good. Now that we have all three, go ahead and go right up here and click edit website. And now you can just go through and edit. Hostinger is, look how cute this looks. Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you just click and edit. So for example, these are so cute. I'm obsessed. I can say it's time to journal with your pets. How cute. I like to turn off my logo. So I'm just going to turn that off. Home, shop, about. I don't need the about page. So on the left here, I'll go to pages and navigation. I'm going to click delete on the about page. Always keep your contact page. You need that page. So you can build your email list. So I'll always do that. Now I'll go back to home. In my big header here, this is for pet owners. So I'm actually going to click here, click edit section, replace image. Actually, I'm not going to do an image. I'm going to do video. Let's see what cute little, let me do puppies. Let's see. Puppies or kittens? I'm a big TikToker, and the way people love their kittens on TikTok, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my goodness. I will be here all day. Look at this little baby. I will be here all day. I will literally be here. And I don't even have a pet, guys. I don't even have a pet. But I love them so much. Oh my goodness. My husband is a dog guy. I love dogs. I've only had dogs my whole life. But I'm telling you, these kittens on TikTok, they are so cute. I don't even know which one. I think I'm gonna go with this little one. Hi, puppy. Look it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So write today, pet journals. This is excellent. I'm totally good with this. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm just gonna turn this opacity down just a hair, make it brighter. Ah, so cute. These I don't need, so I'm going to click in this section and click delete. That's how easy Hostinger is. And now look at this. They've already got my online bookstore set up. So all I got to do is edit the section. So I'll click edit, layout, and I only want to show 3 columns because I've got 3 books. And then I want to keep this as original so that they can see the full cover. And then there's a lot that you can play here with. You'll see like Hostinger literally will let you do this exactly how you like it. And I'm just going to click save. So it saves that. So cute. I don't have happy customers yet because this is brand new. Celebrate love for your pets as pet owners. Yep, I love this. I'm just going to click here, click edit image, replace image. And since I already have a dog, I can't leave out my cat lovers. So let me just do kitten. Let's do a little kitten. Look at these little kittens. Oh my goodness. We got to get a cat. We gotta get a cat. My husband, we gotta get a cat. About our journals features adorable pets. So this image is fine, but I'm gonna continue just putting little dogs on here because this is so cute. Let's do another little puppy. Oh my goodness, look at these little puppies. Hostinger, shout out to you guys. You guys have like some of the best stock images I have ever seen. Look at this little guy. And then again, we can't leave out our cat owners. Replace image, free images. Another kitten, or let's do a grown cat this time. Let's do a grown cat. Oh, so adorable. Look at this one. Oh, you're smiling. This cat is legit I got to. This cat is smiling. I love it. Okay, our journals. And then down here, I just want to make sure that this matches our branding. So you'll see like this is a little bit of a grayish color. So I might try to match that a little bit better. And what's cool, if you do add section and then you go to online store and you select single products, look at that. How cool is that? You can put you can put your books twice on your landing page so you can make sure somebody doesn't miss it. But really I did this though, so I could just click here, click edit section, click select color, click pick color, and then I can select the exact color of this little, there we go. Excellent. I love it. I love it. All right. I'm going to get rid of these socials. Again, this is what you see is what you get. So just click and edit as you need to. I do recommend always keeping the contact button so you can be growing your email list. It's very, very important. And then I'll click save. So once you are done with your entire website, go ahead and click preview. You just want to make sure you like everything. So I'm just going to scroll down on my cute Pet Journals website. Oh my goodness, I am so tempted to really launch this business and go on YouTube and do marketing with this because this is so adorable. And what's really cool with your online bookstore, as you add new products, Hostinger will automatically populate this with your additional products. You see how you have your shop button is already set up. And Hostinger makes this very quick. It eliminates the issue. If you don't know how to code, you don't know how to do tech, Hostinger does it for you. All you got to do is type in your prompt, upload your books, and you are ready to go. So once you're all finished, go ahead and click go live and start doing your marketing. So to get started with Hostinger, go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl and use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your order. And please comment down below and let me know if you are just as obsessed with these puppies and kittens as I am. I'm not even a pet owner and I'm obsessed.
And the third step for how to create an online bookstore for your self-published books, now that your website is built, do your marketing. Now that your website is built, do your marketing. So this part is the part that most of us as authors don't want to do. I'm speaking from experience too, my love. I published my first book in 2009. It took me years to start consistently promoting my books. I actually started consistently promoting in about 2015 when I started using Periscope. It was a live streaming software at the time. I would go live, teach a daily devotional, and then promote my book. It took me a long time to start doing it every single day though. So I understand if you don't want to do marketing, but the only way we're going to get people to our bookstore to purchase from us is if we tell them about the bookstore. And the only way to tell people is to do marketing. That's what marketing is. So create a content plan to promote your online bookstore, whether that be Reels or TikToks or YouTube, whether that be a podcast or a blog. I just put out a video showing you how to create a blog, so check that out. You know, there's so many different ways to do marketing nowadays. It's extraordinary. When I started, your choices were buy Google AdWords, do like the banner ads. I used to pay for radio spots. Yes, radio spots. We didn't have that many options back then, but now with social media, anybody can do marketing every single day for free. So choose your platform, do your marketing, and if you need help doing this, let me show you the Christian Author School, the faith-based author school. It's a resource I created to help you get your author business up and running step by step. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your author business, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to get started. You can go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com. And don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you become a self-published author by the grace of Jesus. I can't wait to see you there.